Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these purple bling nails with Encapsulated Rose. So for this look, I'll be using LongHairPrettyNails Clear Acrylic, and I've been getting questions about how I apply my nail forms. So I just take the nail form and roll it in between my fingers to create that curve. And then I place the sticker on the underside just to make it more sturdy. And then I just place the form onto my nail, making sure that it sits right up under the free edge and that it is just nice and sturdy and straight. And then I just go ahead and squeeze all the other tabs and everything onto my finger. Alright, so then I apply the Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator. And once that's dry, I apply No Lift Nails Primer. And before I apply the acrylic, I go in with one more coat of the No Lift Nails Primer. And while that's still wet, I go ahead and apply my acrylic. So I like to form my nail starting with the tip first, and I just place my bead of acrylic kind of overlapping onto my natural nail, and I just bring that all the way down to where I need the length to be. So right now, since this is going to be a encapsulated nail, I'm doing a very thin layer of clear. Alright, so for my encapsulated flower, I'll be using LongHairPrettyNails White Acrylic along with these colored acrylics from GearBest, but I only end up using this purple color. So as you can see, I've removed my nail form and I went ahead and filed it, and the nail is super thin, so you just want to be careful with that. So now I'm just going to go in with my 3D rose. And what I did was just take a small bead of the white acrylic and then I dipped it into the purple, and that is what creates that nice ombre look. So I just place a bead down and kind of create a C, and then I flatten it out, and I just repeat this for all of the petals. So this bead was just too dry, it wasn't right, so I went ahead and took that off. And I also flipped my hand facing me because it's just much easier when I'm doing 3D art. And because I'll be encapsulating this nail, I'm just making sure to do this flower very, very thin so it doesn't sit up too high and you won't have a bulky nail. Alright, so once I have the rose completed and it is dry, I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate it using the clear acrylic and working with a little wetter beads than usual because I just want to make sure that the acrylic gets into all of the crevices of the rose. Alright, so this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed, and as you can see, the encapsulated rose nail is not super bulky, which is what I like. So I'm gonna go in with this Madam Glam purple glitter gel polish, and it's called Sublime Elegance, and it is just so gorgeous. I love this color. It is a deep purple color with nice silvery shimmers in it, and it is just simply gorgeous. Madam Glam has some amazing gel polishes. I will leave a link down below so you guys can check them out, but yes, their polishes are the bomb. Like, I must have been living under a rock this whole time because I've really been missing out on these polishes. So anyway, I go ahead and apply a coat to all of the nails, and then I clean up around the cuticle areas with my alpha gel brush. Alright, so this is after I applied 2 coats of gel polish to all of the nails except for the index fingernail because I'll be applying some bling. So I'm going in with a combination of the Poochie's Nails Bling Gel and the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. Alright, so what I do first is just apply a thin layer of the bling gel. And without caring, I go over it with the top coat. And then I go in with these Swarovski crystals, and I believe these are called Crystal Paradise. I would double check the label, and I will leave a link down below where you can get these. But they are so pretty. They're like a purple green shift crystal. It's just so cute. So I just repeat the same thing for the encapsulated rose nail. I'm just going to be doing a little bit of crystals on this one as well. Alright, so after I have all the crystals applied, I'm just going to go ahead and cure that in my LED lamp. So now I'm going to apply the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat to the rest of the nails. And curing in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Next, I'm applying my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I love how these turned out. Purple is one of my favorite colors, and I just love the bling. I love the shimmer, and of course, I love the encapsulated rose. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to LongHairPrettyNails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.